I'm going to program it now. We do time and temperature. So I'm going to enter program number 2. My glaze fire is number 2, so I'm going to hit enter. And it has 8 segments, means 8 steps up and down to get hot and to get cold again. Now the first one is how hot it's going to get. I'm going to go 100 degrees an hour to 185 and hold it, but I'm only going to hold it for a little bit because I glazed these 2 days ago and I'm in a hurry. So they're only going to go for 1 hour. Now it's going to go to 100 degrees to 200, and I'm going to hold that for 1 hour. Anyway, I usually go a lot slower on the ramp to before boiling, but there's no water to boil, so theoretically. So now I'm going to go 300 degrees to 900, and I'm going to hold for 15 minutes. It's an old boy, he heats slowly, so 15-minute hold gets it even temperature inside. And I'm going to go 200 degrees to 12 because I like to go through that crystallization period slowly. Now I'm going to hold that for 15 minutes, like I said, because he's an old boy and he takes a while to catch up to himself. And then now we're going to go 250 an hour to 1850. And you heard the 15-minute explanation. 200 because he's an old boy and can't go that fast, to 21. And we're going to hold for 15. We're going to go to cone at 110 degrees an hour. Some people say 108. I do 110. I live on the edge. And we're going to go to 2200. Now I know that's not a cone. I fire time and temperature and not to cone. And I'm going to hold that for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to go 250 an hour all the way down to 900 to go through all of those crystallization periods slowly and let all the action happen. When it slows cool, that's when all the action happens. All the glazes do cool, crystalline-y, fun stuff. I know I'm getting pretty technical here. So then I'm going to hold that at 0, and I don't want an alarm. It's complete, and so I'm going to hit go, and it's going to go. And that's how I program my glaze load. No. I didn't know you still had it on me. Anyway, I'm going to go sand mugs and get ready to ship all this stuff out. Have a happy day.